Hello world, this is Abirami Bahirathan, a mother, teacher, a friend and a guide. Today I am going to tell a story about an obsolete concrete slab. There was a barrack which was guarded by a set of soldiers, and in front of the barrack there was a cement slab which was also guarded by 4 soldiers in all the 4 directions. And a commander had taken in charge, and he was very curious, why is it this slab is also taken care by soldiers. When he asked the soldiers themselves, they didn't have a valid answer, and when he asked the other soldiers, they too didn't have a valid answer. So he looked into the archive and he came to know that 80 years before, when there was a commander in this position, he had made this cement slab to conduct some events, and every time they make the slab, the very next morning it would have got tampered because of some wild animals that had loitered in the previous night. So a couple of times this laying of the slab and tampering had happened. So in order to avoid this difficulty, he thought that it is wise to appoint some soldiers for a time period, and he appointed them, and this was taken care. And while this was happening, this commander was transferred to a different barrack, and that commander, he got retired and he even passed away. But the next commander who took charge of this position, he blindly followed whatever was practiced then, and it continued for years together, 80 years together. So even in our life, certain things like certain practices which are so obsolete would have been practiced for some reason, some cultural reason, or would have been practiced for some time period. Kindly think over what kind of obsolete attitude or belief or practice you have. Ask the question why. Why do you practice it? Why matters a lot. Bye. Thank you.